Good morning, sir. My name is Avinash Sharma. I am from Ratlam and I pursued my BE from MIT Ujjain in 2015. And now I am working on a project named COVID Shanti. It is basically an e-commerce website which provides hand sanitizer, immunity booster, face mask, and all the products are WHO standard.
Okay. What is decorator in Python?
Sir, decorator is an object which allow to convert strings.
Decorator is an object. Okay. What are the global and local variables in Python?
Sir, global variables are the variables which declared outside a function or in global space, and this variable can be accessed by any functions. And local variables are the variables which declared inside a function.
We can declare global variable inside function or not in Python?
No, sir. No.
We can't declare. You are sure for this?
Yeah.
Global keyword you heard about?
Yes.
Global keyword. So when we use global keyword?
Sir, but global function are declared outside a function.
Suppose that I have def hello.
Yes, sir.
In a comma b, I have declared inside function. This is the local or global.
So it is local.
And I use global a comma b. This is the local or global.
This is global function which can be accessed by any function.
You say that global variable are always declared outside the function. Inside functions also it can be declared using global keyword.
Yes, sir.
You know that you have used global keyword in Python or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you are confused? What are Python modules?
So Python modules are a file which contain Python code. So
Okay.
basically .py file
Okay.
which contain the executable code. And
How create modules in Python? You can create your own modules in Python.
No, sir. There are inbuilt module like OS module, math module.
We can't create our own module.
Yes, sir, we can create.
How it
we can
create- how it will create it?
modules. Sir, it create by module function.
You have not created module, I think.
Yes, sir.
Module is nothing, just the file name.
Yes, sir.
When you have saved the file, when you have saved the Python code, your file name is hello.py.
Yes.
Hello is the module. You can use import keyword to access the module.
Yes.
Okay. Now in this I am providing some suggestions to you also.
Yes.
That's why you can analyze it and improve your skills. Okay. What is build cards in Python?
Wildcards. So wildcards in the Python is used to replace or represent any characters or number of characters. There are basically two main wildcards. One is the asterisk and second is question marks. Asterisk is used to replace number of characters, and question mark is used to replace only one character.
Okay. How you can copy objects in Python?
You can copy object in Python by using assign operator.
Okay.
You can
Any
use
other
predefined
predefined method to copy the objects?
by copy method.
Python has copy method you have used.
So you can only simply assign.
Without assignment, I want to copy the one object to another. It has any predefined method to copy the objects?
Sorry.
Okay. What is the difference between range method and xrange method in Python?
Sir, range method is used in Python 3 and xrange method was used in Python 2. The main difference between that is range method give the iterable objects and xrange method provides the generator objects.
What is generator in Python?
Sir, generator are used to create iterable object. Generator is an object which use yield statement in its yield keyword.
Okay. Without using range method, you can use for loop in Python.
Yes, sir.
How? I want to print 1 to 10
Yes, sir.
without using range method. You can print using for loop. Is this possible?
No, sir, it is possible for
Without range method, I not want to use range method and I want to print 1 to 10. Is it possible in Python or not? Without using range method,
No, sir.
it's not possible. You can take simple list, display 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10,
But sir,
and
it's
copy the list
it's
into
a so
the.
long method for it's
I
convenient for 1 to 10.
am just asking your
Yes, sir.
logics that
Yes, sir.
if this type of task you have,
Yes, sir.
then how you can implement it.
Yes, sir. It's possible, but not for large values. It's
I have fixed value 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only I am asking to you to display 1 to 10. Nothing else. I am not asking to you display 1 to 100, 1 to 1000, 1 to 1 lakh.
It's possible.
I want to know your alternative logic. Suppose that you are developing the project
Yes.
and the point, if you are stuck, then what will the alternate solutions you will implement? Because when you are developing the project, then lots of some problems will be arise that programming has no any predefined method, no any alternative methods. You just your mind and implement it.
Yes, sir, but this
Then
is
in this case, what you will do?
Yes, sir. Simply use this. But sir, it's a traditional method. It's a long method.
Suppose that it's the traditional method. I know that, but I know alternative logics for it.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
You can print.
Python support pointers or not?
Yes, sir. It's about pointers.
Where we use pointers in Python?
I don't know. Pointers.
You have used pointer in any places in complete Python script.
No, sir.
Variable length function you have used.
Yes, sir. Variables.
It use pointer keyword.
Yes,
Pointer
point-
symbol is
point,
used?
Yes, sir. It's used point symbol.
For which purpose it use pointer symbol?
Sir, point symbols are also used to separate the function.
What is the variable length function? Where it will use?
Sir, to find the length of a object or list, length.
No.
So length is basically a magic function.
A variable length functions means you can pass unlimited variables using tuple object. Okay, suppose that you have 100 elements and these all elements can be passed by tuple objects. So that is called variable length. Okay. What is PAP in Python?
It is a Python enhancement proposal. It is a set of rules which is used in Python code.
Where it will use?
Sir, it is used in coding.
Okay, how we can remove front space in from Python code?
Sir, we can remove front space by using strip method. By L strip, you can remove the front space or leading space, or if you want to remove trailing space, you can use L strip method.
I want to print 5 space in continuous. Okay, 5 space after that character and again 5 space after that character. What you will do in Python?
Space. So using white space.
Which function?
So you can simply use white space between the object.
5 space take all 5 or it will take only 1?
So continue to use 5 times.
5 times you will print 5 spaces or 1 spaces?
So it will print one space.
Okay. I have paragraph and I want to convert all spaces to underscore.
Yes.
Then what I will do?
Sir, simply use magic function.
Which one? Which string function can be used to replace all spaces to underscore? You have any idea of this? You don't know a predefined function of a string in Python?
No, sir.
Not okay. Okay, you prepare again.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.